Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to turn accent color on or off for Start menu and Taskbar in your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I'll guide you through the procedure. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. Type the command regedit and hit enter to open the Registry Editor window. In the Registry Editor window, go to HKey Current User, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Themes, Personalize. In the right pane, you'll notice an entry named Color Prevalence. Double click on it to open its properties. Change the value data from 0 to 1. Click on OK and reboot your computer. Or even if you don't reboot your computer, you can see the change here. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.